Hi guys, Samantha here again, and as usual today bringing you another great review. The product is Sonovive. And before you ask, Samantha, is Sonovive any good? Does it work? I have some very important warnings to pass on to you, so just stay with me until the end of the video and I'll pass on all the information about Sonovive. Pay close attention to what I have to tell you. The first thing you need to know about Sonovive is that you should analyze where you are going to buy it, okay? All you need to remember is that Sonovive can only be found via the link I'll leave in the description of this video, and it's not available for purchase anywhere else. The product's official website is the only safe way to purchase it. So, do not buy anywhere other than the official store, okay? Are you ready for another big review? Let's go then. Samantha, what is Sonovive anyway? Sonovive is a natural product made with ingredients sourced from local producers that allow plants to reach full maturity naturally and do not use chemical treatments. These nutrients are mixed in the right way and in the right amount to keep their properties intact. Sonovive is processed under strict sterile standards with regularly disinfected equipment. Every bottle of Sonovive is manufactured right here in the USA in our FDA-approved and GMP-certified facility under sterile, strict and precise standards. The Sonovive dropper is natural and pure. You can be confident that they don't contain stimulants or dangerous toxins. How does Sonovive work? The nutrients and components blended into Sonovive support the functions of the middle ear, inner ear, and also the outer ear. The supplement primarily acts on your brain to ensure that your brain functions remain optimal. Sonovive rejuvenates and nourishes your brain cells with proper nutrients and herbs. Sonovive also improves blood flow to the brain so that it receives enough oxygen, and the product does this with the help of traditional medicine herbs. The official website states that the supplement seeks to optimize your brain to revive your hearing ability. The necessary amino acids included in the supplement work effectively to provide clear nootropic benefits so you can comfortably manage the symptoms of poor hearing. Hey guys, now you can support the health of your ears with 100% natural ingredients, finally being able to enjoy your favorite music and movies. You can get a 30-day supply of Sonovive for a one-time fee of just $69. That's right. Only $69. Plus, with every order placed today, you also get free shipping. Fantastic, isn't it? The moment you place your order, you will be taken to a secure checkout page. Simply fill in your payment details using a credit or debit card. After filling in your information and confirming, your package will be shipped free of charge, in a discreet package, straight to your door as soon as possible. If you order the 3-bottle or 6-bottle pack, which the producer strongly recommends, as he estimates it will run out of stock once this has happened before, you'll also enjoy a huge discount. I know, you must be wondering, but what about the guarantee? Does Sonovive have a guarantee? Yes, Sonovive has a guarantee that if you are not satisfied with the benefits Sonovive has to offer, the producer will issue a full refund. Just contact us within the first 60 days of purchase. Even if you use the whole bottle or not, they will still refund your money. That means you have a full 2 months to see if Sonovive is the right choice for you or not. No hidden fees or subscriptions. Just a safe and secure one-time payment. Make your choice by clicking on the link I'll leave you below, enter your payment details in our secure order form and order now. Your bottles will be shipped directly to your home. Attention! For every order of 3 and 6 bottles, you'll get a huge discount, and all orders come with free shipping, no matter where you live in the US. Can't wait to hear from you after trying Sonovive. Remember to come back here and leave your opinion in the comments. I hope I helped you to know a little more about Sonovive. It actually helps you a lot to improve your life, and many other benefits that this product promotes. Any questions, just leave them in the comments or search Sonovive official website, okay? I'm staying here, friends, and soon we'll see you in the next videos. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and share with your family and friends. Bye bye.